Mr. President, we thank Director General Yukiya Amano for the report of the agency for 2017 and for his comprehensive briefing that has been circulated. The report of the International Atomic Energy Agency is an important publication for gaining an appreciation of the essential task being performed by the IAEA, both in promoting and ensuring peaceful use of nuclear energy. India has co-sponsored the draft resolution A/73/L19 on the activities of the IAEA. Today's debate is an important occasion to reflect upon the critical role the IAEA has played in supporting countries in pursuit of nuclear power in a safe and secure way, and its technical cooperation activities, bringing nuclear applications to its member states. Mr. President, nuclear power remains an important option to meet the challenges of increased energy demand, address concerns about climate change, redress volatile fossil fuel prices, and ensure security of the energy supply. In this context, the IAEA's International Ministerial Conference on Nuclear Power in Abu Dhabi played a significant role in bringing policymakers, scientists, technologists, and environmentalists together to examine the prospects of nuclear power. The agency needs to continue its programs of support to member states embarking on or expanding their nuclear energy programs, and most importantly, support member states in enhancing their capacity to build public acceptance for nuclear energy. India attaches importance of the agency's work in different fields of nuclear science. We contribute to these activities through participation in the technical meetings and coordinated research projects. The agency's program and achievements under nuclear applications in food and agriculture, health and nutrition, water resources management, protection of the environment, etc., are helpful in meeting the needs of developing countries. India will continue to provide its support to these agency programs by way of services of experts and offer training slots in reputed institutions in India for experts from member states. Mr. President, advanced fission reactors, including fast reactors, contribute towards more efficient use of nuclear fuel and towards reducing radioactive waste volumes. India participated actively and exchanged information on new developments and experience in the field of fast reactors and related technologies during the International Conference on Fast Reactors and Related Fuel Cycles held in the Russian Federation in June last year. Thorium-based fuel cycles and technologies present opportunities for enhanced passive safety features, utilization of the larger natural resources of thorium and its inherent proliferation resistance. International collaboration under the IAEA would help provide a much wider resource base for future nuclear technology development in this direction. Mr. President, we support the agency's program on nuclear fusion. We are pleased to inform that India had hosted the 27th IAEA Fusion Energy Conference last month in the city of Ahmedabad. The conference provided a forum for the discussion of key physics and technology issues, as well as innovative concepts of direct relevance to the use of nuclear fusion as a source of energy. With the participation of several international organizations, as well as the collaboration of more than 40 countries and several research institutes, including those working on smaller plasma devices, the conference helped to identify possibilities and means for continuous and effective international collaboration in this area. We also take note of agencies' work in improving global safety and security. In this regard, we appreciate the review and publications of safety standards and security guidance that sets an international reference for nuclear safety and security. India remains committed to supporting the work of the IAEA. I thank you, Mr. President.